Good evening, friends. Welcome to the webinar of 360 EMG. And today's topic is extraction of text from the images. So we will see open source library from which we can easily extract the text from the images. Okay, so it is we have to just write a few lines of code and we are done. Only we need to do certain kind of settings in our system so that we can implement all those libraries. Okay, so we will see those things. um, I will share my screen. Okay, so we will use a library called as Spice Tesseract. It is an open source library which is used to read text from the images. Okay, so I have prepared this thing and this document, and you can easily refer the links and you can do the settings and everything. Okay, so firstly, we will see how to install it. Okay. So those who are using the Windows, they can install this 32-bit. Okay, if the configuration is
Please share the link.
yeah, I will share. I will share. Yeah, and this is regarding the 64-bit. Okay, okay. So you can see my screen. This Tesseract OCR. Okay, you can download this and you can install this into your system. Okay. Just wanted to give a quick introduction to you all regarding the PyTesseract. Okay. Okay, so you can see the documentation is here. Okay, so the PyTest OCR, it uses LSTM models. Uh, it is built in. So we can not only extract the text which is in English format, it can extract the text in many languages. Okay, so you can see, you can read the working of the PyTest OCR. Okay, and how it works, and this is the how it uses LSTM. It is given here. So it recognizes each and every character into from your images, and it will certain steps are there to pre-process it. It does it internally. We don't need to know all those things. Okay, so instead of using the entire neural network, we can use this package to just use within a few lines of code we have to write, and we can extract the text from the images. Okay, so these are the documentation, you can read it out. So this link also I will share, so you can have a quick please send me documentation. Yeah, I have sent it. Okay. Yeah, the entire file I'll be sharing. Okay. So yeah, Abhijit, LSTM is a long short-term memory. Okay, so it is having some encoders. So it will going to encode your like text. Okay, so it has a network and it passes your text one by one, and it going to remember your text. Okay, so that is how it work. It is a very like big kind of structure architect. You need to learn that thing, but as of now it uses that technique, this PyTest it uses the LSTM technique, but we are not. Will it extract only on image or video related as well? No, only image related it will going to extract. And the thing is with the PyTest Select is it will only going to extract the text from the image. The image should be very clear, not very clear, like not only with the blur image it cannot like extract the, because it need to pre-process the image, certain steps are there, and it will going to like do that thing. Filter files format, any limitation, any jpg file, and all the like images file, it can extract the image from that. No, you have to like maintain the image in such a manner that it should be visible. Okay, so you if image is rotated, then you need to apply some filter. You have to rotate in such a manner that it can extract the text from the image. Okay, so once you have like downloaded this, okay, you will going to extract this. Okay, then you have to go to your, okay, C drive you have to go, and you have to go to the program files. Okay, then you will see once you have installed that thing into your system, then you will see Tesseract OCR. Can you see that? Just wanted to know quick confirmation. Can you see this Tesseract OCR? Okay, so you have to click on that, and you can see all these things are here. The file has been uh, so you will see Tesseract. Okay, this thing is there, it is in exe format. You need to remember this one, and one more thing you have to remember, test data is given. Okay, so it has been trained in these kind of languages. Okay, so you can see African language, AMH, certain languages there. So all these images you can see. Okay, in all these languages it has been trained. You can see the English one. Okay, Frank, these languages there. it has been trained on this kind of languages. Okay, clear? So you need to remember as of now this folder, okay, test data and this exe file, okay. Mm. This one, okay, TSSACT, okay. These things you need to remember once you have installed this, okay. Then we will going to uh, go to our Anaconda prompt, okay. We will be using Jupyter Notebook, so we have to go to the Anaconda prompt, okay. And I have shared this thing, okay. So PyTesseract package you have to install, okay. So just you can do pip install, okay, or else you can go to this link. Okay, this link, and you can see here pip install tesseract, okay. So here also some functionality is given, okay, how it what are the parameters we can give, okay. And the installation like requirement, Python 3.6 is required, okay. So all these things are given, and here are the functions: get language, so you will be getting all the language, and get tesseract version, you will be getting the version. Image to string, so we will be using this image to string, okay. Once we will move forward, you will see, okay. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to install pip install tesseract, okay. So I'm copying this, and you have to just activate in which environment you are working. So I'm working on Honda activate deep, okay. So I'm working on this. Once you have gone to your particular environment, okay, you have to just install this PyTesseract, okay. Okay, so in my system it has already been done. So you have to install in your system if you are using first time, okay. Then you have to do one more thing, okay. You have to install one more thing, CV, okay. CV2 you have to install. So this thing I have already shared, okay. So both the links I'm just sharing it, you can install it, okay. Anyhow, I'm sharing this file, okay, so don't worry. I don't know what's going on. Total, how many language it will support? So many language it will support. Like 100 plus are there, but once you will install this package, right? So library, so you will be seeing all those languages over there. Okay. And there is one more Conda install. How you do, right? Conda install PyTesseract, like that. So one language thing is also there. You can install that thing. So it will going to support many language. Okay, but the thing with, can we use latex? I didn't got your question. Yeah, I will share right now. Okay. Total, how many? Can you see Word document? I will send. Okay, I'm going very fast. Okay, I will go very slow. I will explain you again if you want. Okay. Once you have installed it in your system, okay, Subhash, then you have to just provide certain settings into the code, okay. Then within a few lines of code, you can easily extract the text from the images, okay. So I will show you how to do that. Mohammed, from where you did not got anything? Yeah, I will explain again, but from where? In Google Meet, we can't share files, I think. Yeah, that is the problem. I forgot, ma'am. I did not understand anything. Okay, so Arun, what is the thing is, we are discussing about, we have a image, okay? In that image, we have certain text. So how we gonna read those text, okay? So in CNN, CNN or in neural network, we gonna make certain like algorithms we have to use, right, to extract those things. LSTM models we have to apply all those things from manually we have to do. But we have certain kind of open source library from which we can use that thing and we can easily extract the text from the image, any kind of. If you have a PDF image, okay, you can extract the text from that thing. Okay, you can convert the Word document into the PDF, but you cannot convert that PDF into the Word document. We have to extract those things, right? So that is the thing we are doing here with the help of a like open source library called as Tesseract. Okay, so certain settings are required. Okay, we have to give the correct path. So that is why I told you to remember the test data. Okay, test data is there, right? That thing and the exe file path, both the things I will show you again, but I just wanted to explain you like what we are doing, because some of for some of the people it is very fast. Okay, I will go slow, no worries. Okay, shall we start? If I have two tables with text in the format of image, yeah, you any image, okay, you can extract the text. Okay, yeah, I will create, but how I will add all these many peoples? Yeah, I will explain again installation. Okay, okay, whoever have enrolled for this program, okay, I will ask them to make a separate group. Okay, okay, you will get entire document. Okay, so this is the document. Okay, which I have made. Okay, so certain links are there. You need to aware about these things, and for the Windows user, they can directly click into the first link. Okay, and other people they can go through this one. Okay, okay. So this is the link. Okay, Arun, can you see now? See, you have to download this one, Tesseract OCR, okay? Once you have downloaded, so it will be in zip format. You have to unzip it, okay? How you do the files, right? You have to unzip it, okay? And this, can you see the documentation? Okay. So this one, okay? Installation of PyTesseract package. Okay, so this is this one. Okay, so you have to pip install PyTesseract, you have to do, and pip install once you have installed this Tesseract OCR. Okay, then you have to go to your, okay, You have to go to your C drive, you have to go, okay, and you have to go to the program files. Yeah, you can create your own environment. There is a satellite of codes, okay. uh, from that you can make sure to create a new environment, and then you do it, okay. You can easily found, if you explore now, you can easily found how to create environment, okay. um, in Anaconda prompt you can do that thing, okay. Once we will make a WhatsApp group, okay, I will share that thing also, how to create environment, all those things, okay. So once you have installed that thing, that thing will go into your, where, in your, you will be seeing in your C drive, okay. In the program files you will see, um, you have to search for Tesseract OCR, okay. Here it is, okay. Can you see? CV2, computer vision, okay. That we will using to see the image, okay. Okay, so this is Tesseract OCR, okay. No, this is a value added. You can just learn from this sessions. No certification is here. Yeah, I will share once the session will be over. Then I will share. Okay. If I will share now, then it will take much time to send everyone. Okay. So see this test data. Okay, it is there, and you have to remember this one, this folder. Okay, and test act, okay, this file you can see, not the collection of images, one by one image you can extract the text, right? Every time you have to provide the path for the image, okay. So many companies, instead of using the neural networks, okay, they are using these kind of open source library. Within a certain lines of code you can easily extract the text. So just remember this thing, test act, okay. Okay, clear everyone? Now, one more thing is there. You have to install, once you have installed the PyTesseract package, okay, pip install PyTesseract in Anaconda we have done, right? Pip install PyTesseract, okay. Once you have done that, once that is installed, you have to install this thing, okay, computer vision, okay. You have to do this, and this has been done in my system, so you have to do in your system, okay. So I'm not running it, okay. Clear everyone? Clear, right? Yes. Yeah. Now we will move to our, yeah, that is the same thing. Okay, now we will move to present that package line. Yeah. That will be in documentation only, okay. Um, I will share the documentation, okay. So once you have done that thing, then you will be going to Notepad, okay, Jupyter Notebook, okay. Can everyone can see my screen, right? Yes, okay. See, just within a few lines of code, we can easily just extract the text. Okay, so we will be importing PyTesseract. Okay, and we will be using PIL import image. Pillow, it maintains some libraries for images. Okay, so we will be using PIL import image. Okay, and you have to import CV2. Okay, clear? Clear? Yeah. So now when it is done, okay, then this is very important line of code, because I told you to remember both that files, right? So we have to write pytesseract underscore cmd equals to this path. Okay, just remember this path is the path of a file. Okay, just see it very carefully. This file, okay, tesseract. Okay, this is exe file. Okay, you have to copy the path. Okay, and you have to paste it over here. Okay, and once you have pasted the link, okay, this is the link. Okay, same link is it, and you have to put the double slash, okay, in front of every single slash. Okay, you have to do this thing. So same thing I have done here. Okay, so see once again. Okay, if you have given it incorrectly, then your tesseract will not going to work. Okay, so this thing you have to search for. Okay, and you have to copy the path, and you have to paste it over here. Okay, equals to. Okay, once you have done that thing, then then you have to go upward, and you have to see this folder. Okay, test data. So I told you this tesseract have been trained on these languages, these many languages. Okay, so it is not only detect your English language, but also it will detect your certain other languages in which it has been trained. Okay, so you have to go to this folder, and you have to copy the path of this folder. Okay, here we have copy that exe file, right? Test act. Okay, but here we are copy the path of a folder, whole folder. So we are copying these. Okay, and I will tell you, this is the path. Okay, folder, same and you have to put the double quotes. Okay, same. Okay, clear? Clear, everyone? Yeah. So those it the whole code is depend upon all, both the lines. Okay, so you have to give it correctly. Okay, so once you have done it, okay, so this is I have declared a variable called as img. Okay, image equal to cv2 dot imread. So what CV2 is going to do, it will read the image. Okay, and in the next line, CV2 dot im show, it will show the sample image. Okay, and we are providing this img here. Okay, and CV2 dot wait key 0. This means that once the image has been pop up, okay, if we are not pressing any key, then it will not going to gone. Okay, it will not going to destroy. Okay, once we have pressed any of the key, uh, the image is waiting for any of the key to be pressed, then only it will be gone. Okay, so these two lines are for that thing. Okay, and once we have done that thing, then we have to provide the text. Okay, and here we are using pytesseract dot image to string. Okay, when you will click here before the bracket, and you can shift tab, you will see, right? You can see shift tab before the image to string, before the bracket. Once you will do shift tab, okay, You can see the parameters over here. You can provide these many parameters, okay? But we are not going to do this thing, okay? Okay. So here config equals to test data dir configure. So this is this thing, okay? Test data directory path we have given here, right? So we are just giving configure equals to here, okay? So image, so it will deduct that thing, okay? The patterns in which language it is given. So yes, the code is clear. Will you share the recording of the session? Abhijit, you can use Jupyter, right? It will be good in Jupyter. Okay. So we will see example. Okay. So this is the path I have been given only once. You have to give the path. Okay. Then I'm crossing this, and here I have an image. Okay. Every this path I'm copying. Okay. Image of the path. Image is there, and okay, and I'm giving here image equals to cv dot I'm read. Okay, clear, right? Yeah. Once I will give the path, right, it will pop up there only. Okay, so I'm giving the path here. Here I'm giving the path. Okay, and double slash. Okay, so it is in jpg format. Okay, now I will run from the starting. Okay, this thing and this one. See, everyone can see the image. Okay, everyone can see, right? Yes. So hmm. So I will run once again. Okay, sorry, the image is here. Okay, so unless and until I will press any key, it the image will not be gone. So I'm pressing enter. So three time I have run, that's why. So after that, in the text equals to pytesseract dot image to string. So we are just it is going to do internally the pre-processing of that image, and the image to string will be applied. Okay, and image will be passed here. Okay, so I'm running this. Okay, it has been run, and 16th line I'm running. Every path is the right path. Where there will be a new line, it will be slash n. Okay, remember that. Okay, so every path is the right path. We will check from the image. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so within a very few line of code, we can slash n is for new line, because one in one line certain text is there, in another line it is there, right? So slash in n is for that. Will you share this code? Yeah, I will share it. Okay, export the text. Where you want to export? You can use it further, Ravi. You can use it further. You have stored the text into one variable, right? In the text we have, right? And you can use that code further. Okay, so we will see with another image. Hmm, this image we will copy. Okay, and See, this is the first line of this text example. This is the second line of text. Okay. This is my image. Okay. So I will press enter and see the text and okay. Clear everyone? Everyone can see, right? Yes, it is open source. Okay. Now, now I will show you like we will go to mm, uh, data science. Mm, Wikipedia. Okay, data science Wikipedia. We will go to there and here it is. And I'm just taking a screenshot of this. Okay, we will see how it will work. Okay, screenshot and from Paint I will do this thing. I don't have that tool, so cropping this. Okay, okay, and cropping it and saving it. Okay, saving and now yeah, I don't have that tool installed. Okay, data science. Yeah, so it is here. It is here. So this is my image. Okay, and we will see how it will work with this thing. Okay, copy path. Okay, and I will paste that thing over here. Path. Now double slash. Okay, and this is my image. Okay, now pressing enter and running this thing, this line, and now the text. See, we can extract easily, right? Isn't it cool? Okay. Now we will the PyTest Direct. I told you right. It work with many other languages also. Okay. So we will try with the other language also. Okay. This thing Vedihi, Vedahi. Yeah. So it will read only text image. What if we have pick with text on image? It will read the image, okay, and it will extract the text from the image. Yeah, we can use one slash also, but I have to give only the backward one, right? So I use double only every time. It is my habit. So, but when we provide path in Python, okay, for any file, we have to provide. We have to change the format of the slash, right? We can put double slash, or we can replace that with single slash, but that should be in the backward direction, right? Like text on t-shirt, it is possible. Yeah, we will see that thing also, how it gonna work. Okay, if it will recognize the pattern, okay, of your text, then it will going to, yeah, yeah, we will going to run more images. Okay, so this is with this thing, this image. Okay, we will see other image also. Okay. Okay, let's try the should handwriting. Okay, handwriting we will try. Very cursive handwriting, it will not going to detect, because everyone used to write their own, right, in their own type of thing. Okay, so this is the handwriting, right? Everyone can see, right? It is a very small, but it is a handwriting. No, one by one it is going to work, Abhijit. Okay, enter, and okay, so it has been deducted that handwriting, like this, because it is cursive, right? So it has been deducted like this. Okay, now we will see some other language, right? Okay. mm, Arabic, we can see Arabic language. Okay, so for other language, English by default it will take. Okay, but other language you have to provide a parameter called as language. Okay, so I'm giving here Arabic language, and you can try your own. Okay, you can download your, but that should be in the short form, should be matched with that the language which is present in the test data, right? This folder, you can check it. Okay, so I'm running this one, and this is the Arabic language, you can see, right? Everyone can see. What, how, ma'am? It will translate. No, no, you have to use in, maybe possibly in the next session I will show you the certain kind of libraries which will translate your, yeah, the thing with this tesseract is the data should be in the form of image. Okay, then only it will run. So let's see. Okay, so I run this line. Okay, so here I was not providing any language, because by default it will take English, but here in the fifth line, okay, uh, here I have to change from, okay, ARA. Okay, it is the short form, and I will run this line. It is running. Oh, sorry, I have not closed this one, that's why. Okay, now you can see it is extracting all these things, the Arabic language. Yeah, you can extract the table also, but that should be in the format of image. You can extract that thing. Okay, so we will see one thing. Okay, one more thing we will see, and hmm, okay, invoice we will see. Okay, it will deduct, but it will can't convert the Arabic text. No, for that you have a Google Translator, a library, Nazia, that is there. You have to use that thing, okay, for translating this Arabic into any language, or from Arabic to English. You have to use that library. Maybe possibly in the coming session, I will come with that thing also. Okay, so it will going to extract the table also, but the thing with that, how many the line will be there, then it will tell you slash n. Okay, so this is the invoice, and we will going to see how it will read. Okay, it will read everything, but slash n will be there. Okay, you can see that thing. Okay, so this is the image, and once I will run this line. Okay, now see, uh, because of having a more number of gap in the line, so it is telling slash n, and it has read everything. But okay, yeah, I will change the language. Yeah, okay, so I will tell you one more language. We will try with that thing. um, Thai text. Okay, Thai text maybe. Okay, so this is the Thai text, and you have to press enter, and here we will run 38 line, and here we will change to THA. Okay, because the language is Thai, and running, and you can see. Okay, it is the short form, Abhijit. Once you will see this right here. Okay, so you can see this Thai. Okay, in in I told you, right? In test data, okay, when you will click, here are the short forms, okay, of every language. You have to go to the documentation, okay, and you will find which language is what, okay. So I have used Thai, right? You can see that thing, THA. Okay, so here it is Thai. Yeah, it is the advanced concept only, okay, but here in by using that library, okay, Tesseract, okay, OCR, open source, we can easily extract the text instead of using a huge line of code or like providing all the LSTM networks. It has internally all those things, okay? So it can read that. Only you need to know the settings. That's all. Okay. Yes, I will provide in that in this. Okay, I will edit that thing and I will provide you. Okay. Okay. Here I can't share that thing, right? So if WhatsApp group is made, then I will share there. Yeah, once I will contact the other session, okay? Then you have to tell to ma'am, okay? Uh, you have to mail, okay? Um, and they can make a WhatsApp group, okay? Yeah, I will make in future, okay? Video analytics session also. Um, Before that, I will make the translation, okay? Translation from one language to another, okay? Yeah, I will copy that code. But I don't think so in one go it will go. Not in the one go it will go. I will share. Uh-huh. Yeah. I will do that thing, okay? Uh, Stay here. I will share, okay? It is not going in one go. So from where it is left. Last three line I'm again pasting, okay? Okay, so this links I also am sharing. Yeah, yeah, I will. Okay. Everyone got code, right? And the links I have shared. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you everyone.